Let's go higher, let's go faster, you ready?
Here we go!
Here I go on. Go on, fighter. Where we go? Bloody hell.
Move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it.
I'm being pushed forward in my seat here. Here we go, here we go.
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Here we go.
Let's go, round and round and off the ground. We're gonna rock your body to the top, let's do it.
Oh yeah, we're flying high. Whoa! Whoa! Oh my goodness me. Here we go. Right. My stomach is oh my goodness me. This is oh my gosh. Wow. God. Wow. This is crazy. Oh.
Okay, riders, sit back in the seat, hold back to the safety bars. We're going to rock your body all the way to the top this time. Let's go higher, let's go faster. You ready?
Yeah, I'm alright. Oh my goodness. Whoa.
To the top.
This is crazy. Oh.
Let's go. Come on. Stop. Number one.
Oh. Bloody hell. Game over. Oh. Shit. Game over. Oh. Bloody hell. Oh. 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 Take all that time.
Okay, we're going to rock your body one last time. Sit back in the seat, hold tight to the safety bar. One more time, we are going to take it faster.
No! Not faster! Not faster! I might be sick on this one.
Let's do it!
No! Okay, here we go. Here we go! Oh my gosh. Ah. Oh my gosh. Ah. Crazy ride.
Boy, that was